and staying with us. Loyalty, trust, and having that confidence with this company. So of course, I would like to call. Okay, I would like to call the first. Ito hindi naman yung best employee. Everybody in Tangier is best employee. Mapa small contribution, big contribution, it still help us grow as a company. Mapamaliit, mapamalaki, still help us grow. Pero of course, we would like to thank those employees that stayed with us, help us to reach that 8-year anniversary, help us to be on that pedestal. So I would like to call her the service awardee for 8 years. Ang ating may bahay, Miss Christine Donaire. Will get very huge lump sum of maleta. It's already parked there in the parking lot. I'm just kidding. Okay, next one, which is nasa Pangasinan, nasa field work. That's imagine Friday, Saturday, Sunday they work tirelessly sa field work. So why I asked Martin, so why do we work during Saturday and Sunday sa field work? Totoo nga naman, because Monday to Friday, may work, may school. So saan natin nabakakuha ng respondents? More respondents, weekends. So that's why our field workers, they work tirelessly during weekends. So Mark Tan, our field supervisor, our head supervisor for the data team. 5 years in service. And next po, ito naman, one of the pillars of market research of our company, Acquisition Apps, the principal, the director of market research, Alex Villasar. And as so you know, Alex is also professor of economics in EUP. So Alex, thank you very much for the 5 years of loyalty and confidence in this company. Thanks, Alex. So everybody sa mga companies na nagpapagawa data analytics, market research, Sir Jojo Aero, and Alex Villasar. My wife pala as well does the questionnaires. No? Yung question pala is not basic, yes or no, tama o mali, sapula sa pulit, hindi pala ganun. There's a very broad understanding when you make questions. So next naman, we have in content, the senior content manager, Mary Joyce De Leon. 40 years in service. Again and again, thank you very much for the loyalty and confidence in this sa company nito. Next is, we don't have this person right now because she's a mother as well, and nag-aalaga sa anak. Joanna Andava. She's our head statistician naman. She's a professor as well back then before we employed her sa Acquisition Apps. Next, we have one of our field supervisors, which is in Pangasinan as well, doing field operations, doing field work, DJ Gonzalez, Anthony Gonzalez, which is wala na yung isa ngayon. Next, also, a mother as well. Happy Mother's Day. Felix tayo of Data Team. 4 years. Okay, next, I'm sure you know this girl already. She's been with sales for the longest time, and yes, she's a pillar. She's a pillar of sales team, sales department, Sarmaine Pamulan. Very jolly, bubbly person, Sarmaine Pamulan. Bubbly, yan. And of course, last but not the least, so just so you know, COO ako sa company, but I work internally. So I'm sure you don't see me in meetings when I meetings because I work internally. I handle admin, HR, finance. So this employee, I'm gonna call it last. She's been with us for 3 years. She handles billings. Nakakatakot siya pag nagagalit. So maraming employee na natatakot sa kanya. Jerica Sabino. Very small but terrible is Jerica Sabino. They mentioned me on time with this woman. Again, thank you very much for all the employees. For those who were not mentioned, still small contribution, big contribution, still made this company big. Thank you very much to all the employees package.